Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have been struggling with hair fall, if your hair keep breaking, or you feel like your hair just refuses to go no matter what you try, then you are not alone. A lot of people are going through the same thing. You try different oils, different products, and different routines. It seems to change. It can be frustrating, sometimes even discouraging. But what if I told you that the solution you have been looking for might already be in your kitchen? Simple ingredients, natural and affordable, but very powerful when used correctly. Today we are going to talk about garlic, onion and ginger, and one very special ingredient, cinnamon. I'm going to show you how to use this mixture the right way, so you don't just try it once and give up. Let's start with garlic. Now I know garlic have a strong smell, but don't let that fool you. Garlic is packed with nutrients that are extremely beneficial for your hair. One of the most important things in garlic is sulfur. Sulfur helps in building keratin, and keratin is what your hair is made of. So when your scalp gets enough sulfur, your hair becomes stronger, it becomes more resistant to breakage, and over time, you start to notice less hair fall. Now let's talk about onion. Onion is one of the most popular natural remedies for hair growth, and for a good reason. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, just like garlic, but it also contains antioxidants, which help protect your hair from damage. Onions help improve blood circulation in the scalp. It helps strengthen hair roots, and most importantly, it helps reduce hair shedding. Now let's move to ginger. Ginger is like the activator in this mixture. It stimulates the scalp, it increases blood circulation, and it creates a warming effect that helps wake up your hair follicles. If your scalp feels dull, dry, or inactive, ginger helps bring it back to life. It also helps reduce dandruff and it smooths itching, because let's be honest, an itchy, irritated scalp is not a good environment for hair to grow. Now let's talk about the ingredient that changes everything: cinnamon. The smell of onion and garlic can be overwhelming, and that is the main reason many people avoid this remedy. But cinnamon helps solve that problem. It adds a natural pleasant scent. It reduces the strong smell, and at the same time, it improves blood circulation even more. So instead of struggling with this, you actually enjoy using the mixture, and that makes it easier to stay consistent. Let's prepare the mixture step by step. Take your time with this part because how you prepare it matters. Peel the onion, garlic and ginger. Cut them into small pieces. This makes blending easily. Now add everything into a blender. Blend smoothly. Once blended, strain the mixture to extract the juice. Now add your cinnamon, mix it properly. At this point, you will notice the smell is already much better. If your scalp is dry, you can add a small amount of oil. And now your mixture is ready. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp, not your hair, your scalp. Use your finger or a cotton ball. Massage gently in slow circular motion. Do this for about 5 to 10 minutes to improve blood circulation. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. At the end of the day, healthy hair is not about expensive products. It's about consistency, care and patience. Simple ingredients used the right way can make a big difference. So take your time, stay consistent and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you going to try this? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.